G'day guys, it's Alex and
Ruben!
Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you the latest score.
Some World Cup FIFA fever.
All right, if we can get through. All right.
They've sent it to us in one of the secure bags, Alex, with the tags, the security tags, that kind of thing.
And it's nice how it coincides with my favourite sporting event of the year, which is the World Cup. Every 4 years, I should say. I wait for this, so I'm looking forward to these beauties.
Indeed. On right now, lots of people cheering for their specific countries and teams. Right. And Australia's not out yet.
That's a very gloomy prognosis.
Sorry, yeah.
Australia's still in,
yeah, sorry. But yeah, this delivery's come all the way from Pamp. We've got some Pamp products. We've got the official license.
Okay, let's see what we're... So these are gold 5-gram minted bars or ingots.
Okay. I think these ones as well specifically, well rather not specifically, more just broad for the event itself.
I'm a fan, Rubes. I am a fan.
Nice. So you've got their very blocky text logo across the package as well as the bar itself. And then flipping over, we've got some more details about the bar, as well as a little QR code hologrammy kind of security measure in the top right there as well.
And let's see, it comes with slip cases as well. So let's have a look at this. Give it a crack. Okay. All right, there we go. Basic slip case, but matching the design on front and back.
Pamp have been doing that quite a bit lately, and I quite like the added extra touch of the slip cases.
That's very cool. As someone who used to collect the NSL soccer cards,
yes.
from I think 1993, that's going back a little bit. It does remind me; these do remind me a little bit of the soccer cards. I mean, they're not anything like it, but they do take me back. Yeah, I have to say I am a fan of these. No pun intended. Not pun intended.
What do you mean, no pun intended? I've known you long enough. Puns always are intended.
I am, but in all seriousness, I am a fan of this one. And by the sound of it, there are some more coming of individual players, which you might want to keep an eye of.
At least one other variety I know of is coming through. So not the only FIFA product we're getting through, but yeah, cool to see. Feel free to show your support for your particular team down below if we can keep it nice and friendly. But yeah, also let us know what you think of these FIFA World Cup bars for 2026.
And if your football team is still competing in a World Cup, all the best to you. And hope you enjoy the beautiful game.
We'll see you in the next one, Alex. We'll probably be doing a couple of videos with you and I over the next little bit as Michael is away on holidays. But yeah, we'll still see some stuff from him at some stage, I'm sure.
While the boss is away, the boys will play.
That's it.
All right.
All right. Thank you very much. We will see you next time.
See ya. FIFA faux fun.
That's pretty good. What's the goal of this video?
Hey, I like that.